Well, tama lang naman na magtrabaho na sila because hindi sila nagsasuffer, tayo ang nagsasuffer, no? There are more important things other than power na dapat pag-usapan dyan sa Senado. And of course, lahat naman yan nangyayari, it's all because of political bickering, ano? Away politika lang yan. Those who are aligned with the Vice President and those who are aligned with the administration sa kay Presidente Marcos. So, tanggapin man natin o hindi, totoo yun na lahat ng yan ay away politika ng mga umanib sa kabila at saka yung mga nandito ngayon nakaanib ng ating presidente. Pero sino nakakatawa? Sino nakakaya? Tayo pa rin nakakatawa at nakakaya sa bagay na. So it's time that they have, maganda naman, nag-mature sila and they have accepted the roles as public servants. Alam natin, we anticipated naman that some will jump ship dito sa nangyayaring problema ito. Except for those magkakapatid na sa magkapatid pa na naiwan sa minority block. Well, we expect naman na mas maging smooth sailing ito and they will perform their job and dispose of yung mga important matters at wala na yung mga hindi na sana maulit yung mga ganyang klaseng eksena sa Senado. The most challenging part on his side is the genuine unification of the minority and the majority. So as a leader, dapat mag-transcend siya, no? Dapat he would not really take sides and he would show them that it's dapat na nararapat lamang na sila ay magkaisa because isa naman objective ng mga yan di ba? Hindi naman naiba ang adhikain ng bawat isa sa kanila. O yun na ang pinakamasama lang doon is napasok yung too much politics sa mga members ng Senado natin. But of course, yun nga pinaka-challenging sa kanya, genuine unification and how to go about itong very controversial impeachment trial. Well, let's cross the bridge when we get there because they have their own rules, ano? And kung gagawin nila yun just to meet the required votes for conviction or acquittal, nasa kanila yan. We pass the ball to them. It's their game. It's how they play the game that matters now. Kung paano ipapanalo or paano matatalo yung dalawang partido sa larong ito, it's up to them. Basta sa akin, ang pinakamahalaga dyan na huhusgahan sila ng taong bayan based on their sound and honest judgment sa nalalapit na impeachment trial. Well, si Senator Ping Lacson already has done his job So, yung mga iba naman yan, hindi naman sila pumirma sa Senate Committee report. So, let's see if something changes nitong bagong composition ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. They come out with a report and all those people na kailangan pumirma sila. Kasi in aid of legislation naman yan So, yan naman, wala namang conviction or acquittal yan. It's just the objective side of the investigation because it is in aid of legislation. So, let's see. Kung mag-iiba ang ihip ng hangin since Senator Lacson out of delicadeza, hindi niya natinanggap. Kasi tapos naman yan yung trabaho niya kung tutusin lang. Na-exhaust na niya lahat yung means para madiscover kung ano yung mga maaaring na itatago pa sa flood control controversy na ito. Gawin nilang trabaho nila. Pakita na that they're worth it sa trust and confidence. And let's see. Kung results-oriented sila, magandang trabaho nila, then maybe they can redeem yung na-tarnish, nasirang image ng ating Senado. It's up to them.